Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Samsung smartwatches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Galaxy Watch 5, a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Priced at $149.99, this smartwatch delivers surprising value with advanced features like a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display that's vibrant and easy to read, even in sunlight. It comes equipped with Samsung's Bioactive sensor, enabling body composition analysis, accurate heart rate monitoring, and sleep coaching that can analyze your sleep stages and suggest improvements. Plus, it boasts enhanced GPS with voice navigation for outdoor adventures. In terms of design, the Watch 5 is lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Its durability is enhanced by sapphire crystal glass, which is 1.6 times stronger than previous models, and a water-resistant rating of 5 ATM, making it suitable for swimming. The 284 mAh battery is slightly smaller than premium models, but performs decently, lasting through a busy day. However, the Watch 5 does lag behind in terms of overall precision and features compared to higher-priced options. It's ideal for users who want essential fitness tracking, advanced sleep insights, and a reliable smartwatch without breaking the bank. Pros include affordability, advanced health sensors, and enhanced GPS. Cons include limited battery life and fewer premium features compared to the higher-end models. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Galaxy Watch FE, priced at $159.99. This smartwatch steps up with features like a BIA sensor for body composition analysis, personalized heart rate zones tailored to your fitness level, and advanced sleep coaching that tracks snoring and sleep stages. With over 90 exercise tracking modes, it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want detailed performance insights. The design is sleek and lightweight, with a 40mm round screen that's compact yet functional. The bright display makes navigation easy, and its Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. The FE model also includes ECG monitoring and heart rate irregularity detection, making it a valuable companion for health-conscious users. However, GPS functionality is smartphone-dependent, which may limit its appeal for outdoor athletes. The Galaxy Watch FE is ideal for those who want a balance of affordability and advanced features. Pros include excellent fitness tracking capabilities, improved health monitoring, and sleep coaching. Cons include no built-in GPS and slightly lower customer ratings compared to other models. Overall, it's a great mid-tier option for general fitness and everyday use. Ranked at number 3 is the Galaxy Watch 7 44mm International model, priced at $204.21. This smartwatch offers notable upgrades with a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED display, sharper resolution, and Wear OS 5 integration for improved app functionality. Key features include advanced sleep tracking with apnea detection, precise heart rate monitoring, and Samsung's One UI Watch 6 for smooth navigation. While this international model lacks a warranty, its performance and features make it a strong contender. Design-wise, the Watch 7 is robust, meeting MIL STD 810H standards for durability and offering water resistance up to 50 meters. The Exynos W1000 chipset ensures reliable performance, and its 425 mAh battery provides solid longevity. Its 32 GB storage capacity lets you store music, apps, and more. However, GPS functionality is limited to smartphone integration, which may be a drawback for outdoor enthusiasts. This model is perfect for users who prioritize fitness tracking and sleep health without needing LTE connectivity. Pros include a larger display, advanced health sensors, and Wear OS integration. Cons include the lack of built-in GPS and the absence of a warranty. If you're willing to overlook these, the Watch 7 offers excellent value in its price range. At rank number 2, we have the Galaxy Watch 7 40mm, priced at $199.99. This smartwatch is all about personalization and precision, with features like energy score tracking to gauge daily readiness, heart rate monitoring filtered by AI for accuracy, and wellness tips based on performance data. It's a great choice for users looking to optimize their daily routines. The sleep tracking functionality takes it even further, offering insights into sleep apnea detection and actionable tips for better rest. The design is lightweight and stylish, available in a cream finish that stands out. The 1.5-inch AMOLED display is crisp and vibrant, and Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. The improved AI functionalities and data analytics give it an edge in tailoring your fitness and health goals. However, it lacks LTE connectivity, making it less versatile for users on the go. The Galaxy Watch 7 40mm is a fantastic option for users who want accurate health tracking and actionable insights without venturing into the premium price range. Pros include advanced AI-driven features, accurate heart rate monitoring, and a sleek design. Cons include the absence of LTE connectivity and slightly smaller screen size compared to premium models. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Galaxy Watch Ultra, priced at $399.99. This premium smartwatch is built for durability and performance, featuring a rugged titanium design that's both lightweight and tough enough to handle extreme conditions. The 47mm AMOLED display is the largest in the lineup, offering excellent visibility and vibrant color reproduction. Key features include energy score tracking, personalized wellness tips, and precise heart rate monitoring powered by Galaxy AI. The Ultra stands out with its built-in GPS, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Its advanced AI tracking lets you compare your current performance to previous workouts for continuous improvement. With a 590 mAh battery and 32 gigabytes of storage, it's designed to last through demanding days and store all your favorite apps and media. The watch is also water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it ideal for swimmers and adventurers. It's packed with cutting-edge technology that the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is perfect for users who demand the best in durability, functionality, and premium features. Pros include rugged construction, built-in GPS, and advanced AI tracking. Cons include the high price and larger size, which might not suit all users. If you're looking for the absolute best, the Ultra is unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.